If you reopen it, they will come.
The city is on track to begin the return to normalcy in the first 2 weeks of June, Mayor de Blasio said Thursday.
All roads are leading to the first half of June, he said at a press conference. It will take a series of steps over time to get back to anything like normal. But something very good is happening.
He was referencing 3 health indicators that he's described as key to determining when reopening can begin: new hospital admissions, the number of people receiving intensive care, and the percentage of tests that come back positive. De Blasio says before that can happen, the city will need to see 10 straight days of decreases in all 3 categories, or an overall downward trend over the course of 2 weeks.
New hospital admissions and the number of people in ICUs declined from Monday to Tuesday, the latest day for which data were available, while the percentage of people testing positive for COVID-19 went up by just a percentage point.
During the 24 hours ending Wednesday at 6 p.m., 57 New Yorkers died, bringing the death toll to 20,934. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases rose by 724 to 192,374.
The data came as weekday subway ridership eked above 600,000 this week for the first time since late March.
Asked whether he was concerned New Yorkers are starting to ignore social distancing rules, de Blasio said, "My gut says most of it is people still working within the rules, but being a little less conservative than they were."
The press conference came in the wake of damning research finding 17,500 fewer people would have died in the New York City metropolitan area had lockdown measures gone into effect just a week earlier.
De Blasio shied away from taking blame.
"We're going to keep learning, keep gleaning information from everything we can, both locally, nationally, internationally," he told reporters. "I wish we had known so much more in January, February, beginning of March."
With Clayton Hughes.
Latest coronavirus updates. Click here for our roundup of the most important developments from NYC and around the world.